In this video, I'll show you how to set up a ledger with MetaMask. First, make sure your Ledger hardware wallet is already set up with a PIN, a recovery phrase, and the latest firmware. Open the Ledger Live app, connect your Ledger device to your computer, unlock it, and install the Ethereum app if it isn't already installed. Next, open your web browser and launch the MetaMask extension. Unlock MetaMask, click the account icon in the top right corner, then select Add Account or Hardware Wallet. Choose Hardware Wallet, then select Ledger from the list of supported devices. Now, keep the Ethereum app open on your Ledger hardware wallet and follow the prompts in MetaMask to connect your device. After a few moments, MetaMask will detect your Ledger accounts and display a list of available addresses. After that, select the Ledger account you want to use and click Unlock or Connect. MetaMask will add the selected account to your wallet without importing your private keys. Your private keys will remain securely stored on your Ledger hardware wallet. Finally, select your new Ledger account in MetaMask and test the connection. Whenever you send a transaction or interact with a decentralized application, MetaMask will prompt you to review and approve the transaction on your Ledger device before it is signed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a ledger with MetaMask. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.